Hi, I'm Jim Ames. I'd like to spend a few minutes with you today to talk about MTOR, the real-time AI operating system that I created. This is my 28th book, and I'd like to tell you what it could do for you right now. So if you've ever wanted your very own AI that you could talk to and that you could have it answer any question or analyze any image, or you could have it create images for you or create ad copy or convert speech to text or convert text to speech, and you wanted all of those capabilities with multiple distributed crowdsourced AI workers. Let's say you also want it to be stateless and intent-based and event-driven, right? Because that's how modern systems should be built. That's what MTOR is, everything I just described to you. So the genesis of MTOR is about a year ago, I got very tired of waiting for somebody to create either the HAL 9000 or the Star Trek computer. And I decided that if I didn't do it, it might not get done. And so I worked with 6AI over the course of a year through thousands of builds. I was their test grunt and test mule, and we did it. We delivered MTOR. And so our features right out of the gate are, we support Llama for chat, Lava for vision, Stable Diffusion for image generation, Whisper and Bark for speech. We also have distributed crowdsourced AI workers via Ingrok tunnels. So we've tried to make this system full-featured, entirely web browser based. All the processing that can happen at the edge does happen at the edge. It's also API first design, and we've baked into it everything that we possibly could to make it as robust as possible. It has a built-in debugger, a built-in debug log, all real-time, all running all the time. We created a universal JSON bus through WebSockets where all of the systems communicate. And we pass an universal engram across that JSON bus that contains everything necessary for the information to be processed. So the function, imagine, chat, vision, that is stated in the engram, as well as the JSON of the payload, and then the IP address, or actually the GUID of the recipient that's going to get the data returned. Okay, and the way it all works is there's an orchestrator and a queue. So when people submit a request, it gets dropped into a queue, the orchestrator picks it off, he hands it off to an AI worker, the AI worker performs the work, hands it back to the orchestrator, and the orchestrator delivers it back to the requester. No state is held, everything is in the engram, and we've developed a special soft response system over WebSockets so that we don't have to manage state. So we do have a true event-driven, intent-based, stateless environment, a realm, if you will. This book covers all of the theory, the API first design, how to use it as a system to code your AI apps. I'm very excited to release this to the world as a gpl3 product. This is highly scalable. There are over 550 pages in this book, and I really just wanted to take a minute to introduce it and tell you about it and tell you about the features. I really hope you enjoy using MTOR. Our reference implementation is codenamed RENTAHal. We worked on that for a year. You can see demos online. You can see the speech-enabled web GUI. You can actually play with our live system at rentahal.com. We have a demo running there. We can do chat, vision, and imagine all through our unified speech-enabled web GUI. So I'm really excited to bring this to your attention today. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy using MTOR RENTAHal crowdsourced, distributed, stateless, event-driven artificial intelligence orchestration.